Hey, have you ever encountered this problem? Imagine this. You're going for a drive and you want to record your drive with your GoPro. So
you grab your helmet, gloves, start up the bike, warm it up. Then you press record and went for that drive. After that long ride, you arrive home. Want to check your footage? And this is what you hear.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
now, I just might have the fix for that. This is Autotistic. Now, what could possibly fix this? Well, this tiny thing. I don't even know what you call this. But this thing. Rah! Here's a more better view. This thing. This volume control thing. I already put tape on it though. But yeah, this thing. Now, I don't really know why it keeps making those crackle noise, but my speculation is that whenever you're recording with the normal setup, which is the adapter and mic, I think it always just keeps on clipping whenever you're going fast. Now with this, you can lower the volume of your GoPro, making it not clip. Here's a before. And after. Woo! Here we go, baby! I put a link down below for you guys to purchase this thing. Now, here's to set it up.
Adjust the volume knob to your preferred volume. Connect the mic to the volume thingy, then to the GoPro adapter. Then keep doing audio tests on the GoPro, seeing how it sounds like in the PC.
Kiss my donkeys, kiss.
Then, when you find the setting you want, you can put tape on it to not make it move. Then put in your helmet, test it out, and go for that drive.
Now, hopefully that solves your problem. It certainly works for me, but I'm not sure if it works for other people. So, if it works for you, please leave a comment down below. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is our first ever video, and we have a lot more planned for this channel. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is Autotistic signing off. Bye!